5-Second Rule Junior How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to make it to the finish. Lay out the board and place the timer and card box to the side. Each player picks a pawn and places it on start. The youngest player goes first and is in the hot seat. The player to the left of the player in the hot seat draws one card and reads it aloud, then flips the timer. The player in the hot seat has 5 seconds to give 3 answers to the card. All cards begin with name 3, followed by a category. If you say 3 things in that category before all the balls reach the bottom of the timer, then you move your piece forward 1 space on the board. If you are unable to say all 3 things within the time limit, then the player to the right of the hot seat has 5 seconds to name 3 things. However, they are not allowed to repeat anything that was already given as an answer. If they fail, then the next person to the right tries. Repeat this process until someone gets it right or everyone fails. Then the roll of the hot seat rotates clockwise by 1 and a new card is drawn. If a player in the hot seat is in the rainbow zone on the board, then they get an extra 5 seconds to answer. When their time runs out, flip the timer over again. The time ends once all the balls stop moving. The zoop sound effect is added for fun and does not indicate when the time is over. If a player's answer is questionable, then the group decides if it should be accepted. The first player to reach the finish wins.